Today's lesson is about how to multiply using partial products. Lesson 2.7. Let's open your book, page 99. Okay, guys, let's start. As I studied before in the previous lesson, we studied how to multiply using expanded form, right? So today we are going to multiply using partial products. It's the same way, okay? Let's see how to use partial products. Firstly, let's multiply here 6 by 182. Okay, firstly, let's estimate. As we said before, how can we estimate? Firstly, round the number, the big number, which is 182. Let's round it. 182. We have here 1. And let's look to the next digit to 1 here, which is 8. 8 is weak number, strong number. Of course, it is strong. So add 1, and then 1 becomes 2, and 8 and 2, this 2 digits becomes zeros. So it will be 200. Okay, so we have here 6 multiplied by 200, as you see here. 6 multiplied by 200, we have 2 zeros, put it as the same. 6 by 2 equals 12. So our answer here is 1,200. That's our estimate, okay? But the real answer, as we started before, let's multiply first by hundreds place. So 1 here in hundreds place. So it means 100, right? Multiply by 6 equals, we have 2 zeros, put it as the same, and 1 multiplied by 6 equals 6. So it will be 600, as you see here. And then we have here 8, right? 8 in ones place or tens place or hundreds in tens, right? So let's write it here as 80, because in tens place takes 1 0, and then multiply by 6. So we have here 0, put it as the same. 8 multiplied by 6 equals 48. So it will be 480, like you see here. Okay, the next one, let's multiply 2 by 6, the ones place. Okay, so we have here 2 multiplied by 6 equals, of course, we have only 12. So the answer here is 12. After that, let's add our partial products, 600 plus 480 plus 12. Okay, let's see. As we started before, let's add them together. 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 8 plus 1 equals 9. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So we can say 6 multiplied by 182 is 1092. Since 1092 is close enough to estimate of 1200, so our estimate is reasonable here. Okay? Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. Okay, now in this example, let's use place value and partial products to get the answer. We have multiply here 2 by 4,572. Okay, firstly, let's estimate. Okay, you have to estimate the big number, which is 4,570. Let's rewrite it here. 4,572. Okay, first of all, we have here the last digit to the left, which is 4. Let's look to the next digit to it, which is 5. 5 is strong number or weak number? Of course, 5 is strong, so gives 1 to 4. So it will 4 becomes 5, and the 3 digits becomes zeros, like you see here. Okay, so our answer here is 2 multiplied by 5,000 equals 10,000. So that's our estimate. Okay, after that, let's get the real product by multiplying. Firstly, multiply 4 by 2. We start from the left. Okay, so let's multiply 4 by 2. But here 4 in thousand place, so it becomes 4,000 by 2 equals, we have 3 zeros, put it as the same, and 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8, so equals 8,000. After that, let's multiply 5 by 2, 5 in hundreds place, so it will be 500 multiplied by 2 equals, with the 2 zeros, and then 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. The next one, 7 in tens place, multiply by 2. So 7 becomes 70, right? Multiply by 2. So put the 0, and 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. The next one, we have 2. Let's multiply 2 by 2 equals 4. After that, let's add the partial products here together to get the answer. So we have 8,000 plus 1,000 plus 140 plus 4. Let's add them. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 1. 8 plus 1 equals 9. So our answer here is 9,144. Okay, write this. You have 1 minute to write it. Okay, we have in this example the first one. Let's multiply 2 by 137. Okay. As we studied before, we have in this model, we have 2 multiplied by 100, right? So in this part, equal 2 multiplied by 100. And we have 30 here, so it will be 2 multiplied by 30. Like that. And this part will be 2 multiplied by 7. Okay. After that, we have 2 multiplied by 100 equals what? 200, right? And 2 multiplied by 30 equals 60, and 2 multiplied by 7 equals 14. And then let's add them together, like you see here. If you want to use this method, you have to multiply 1 by 2, which is 100, so it will be 200, and 3 by 2, which is 30 in tens place, so it will be 60. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. 200 plus 60 plus 14, it will be 274. Okay, let's move to the next one. Now, let's estimate first, then get the product. Okay, let's estimate. The first one, we have 190. Okay, we have 1 here at the left digit, is the last digit. So what we're going to do, we have 9, look to the next digit to the right of it, which is 9. 9 is strong or weak? 9 is strong, right? So gives 1 to 1 becomes 2. That the rest of the number will be zeros. Multiply by 3. We have 2 zeros, so put it as the same. 2 by 3 equals 6. So our estimation here is 600, like you see here. Okay, now let's multiply using partial products. Okay, first let's multiply from the left here. 1 multiplied by 3, but 1 here in hundreds place, right? So let's write it 100 by 3 equals what? We have 2 zeros, put it as the same. 1 multiplied by 3 equals 3. The next one, we have 9 in tens place, so it will be 90 multiplied by 3 equals, put 0, and 9 multiplied by 3 equals 27. So it will be 270. And the last one in the ones place, which is 0. So 0 multiplied by 3 equals 0. Any number multiplied by 0 equals 0, right? And then we have here 300 plus 270 plus 0, like you see here. Okay, let's add them together. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 7 plus nothing here, so it will be 7. 3 plus 2 plus nothing here, it will be 5. So our answer here is 570. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let's estimate first. We have this number, we want to estimate it. Okay, we have 4. Look to the next digit to the right of 4, which is 7. 7 strong number or weak number? Strong, right? So gives 1 to 4, it becomes 5, and this 2 digits becomes 2 zeros, right? And let's multiply by 4. We have 2 zeros put it at the same. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. So it will be 2000, like you see here. So our answer here is 2000. In our estimate here, okay? That's our estimate. Okay, 4 in hundreds place, right? So it will be 400 multiplied by 4 equals, we have 2 zeros, put it as the same. 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. After that, we have 7 in tens place, so it will be 70 multiplied by 4 equals, put the 0, and 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. And we have the last digit, we have here 1 in ones place multiplied by 4. Let's multiply it, equals 4. And then let's add them together. Okay, so we have 1600 plus 280 plus 4, it will be 1884. Okay, let's move to the next one. Let's estimate first. We have here 3. Let's look to the next digit to the right of it, which is 4. 4 gives 1 or not? 4 is weak number or strong number? It's weak number. So don't do anything. Just write 3, and this will be zeros, like that, multiplied by 7. Okay, let's multiply. First of all, 0. We have 3 zeros. Put the 3 zeros as the same. 3 by 7 equals 21. So our answer here is, like you see here, 21,000. Like you see here. Okay, after that, let's multiply using partial products. We have first 3 multiplied by 7. 3 in thousand place, right? So let's multiply 3. It will be 1000. 3000, both 3 zeros. Multiplied by 7 equals 21,000. And 4 in hundreds place multiplied by 7, so it will be 400 multiplied by 7 equals, we have 2 zeros, put the 2 zeros here. 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28. And the next one, 3 multiplied by 7, 3 in tenths place, so it will be 30 multiplied by 7. It will be, put the 0, and 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. So it will be 210. And the last digit, which is ones place, 9. So multiply 9 by 7 equals 63. And let's add them together, like you see here. Add them together, it will be $24,073. That's our lesson for today and your homework on Think Central, okay? Check your account on Think Central. After the school day, you will find your homework.